The Soufriere Regional Development Foundation continues to heavily invest in the community of Soufriere. In keeping with its mandate of social and economic development, an AC and refrigeration course is currently being facilitated. Course instructor Frederick Beausoleil touts the benefits of such a program in a real-world sense.
We are now having a problem with the number of technicians available, be it in St. Lucia, within the Caribbean region, or internationally. Our partners in St. Lucia from the industry are having a difficult time getting the number of qualified, experienced technicians. In the past, Arthur Lewis Community College has been producing every 2 years a batch of sometimes 10, 12 students. However, this has dwindled over the years and that has not helped our industry. So for the Soufriere Foundation to take on this responsibility to put on this extra course down here, which is CVQ level 2, it is very important for the community where you find they will at least now have more than one person out here to be able to assist them in their servicing of their air conditioner units or their refrigerators. And like extension, the hotels will also benefit greatly from that as well.
He gave insight into some of the topics that students will be exposed to.
We go into other accessories that the system uses, and then we have the electrical side of it, which is again about 80% very important. So some of the students who are currently, they have an electrical background, so they actually have an edge because a lot of what we will be covering is electrical. We also have to deal with electrical motors, and the list goes on. Yeah.
13 residents of Soufriere will benefit from the SRDF's air conditioning and refrigeration course.
What I'm expecting to get out of this course is some better knowledge of refrigeration and AC. I'm a little new to the AC field, so just feeling the cold refrigerant in my hand was like a little freak out as well, because I never knew that the tank was getting so cold, to be honest. So yeah, that's about it. Too much to say.
The executive chairman of the Soufriere Regional Development Foundation, Ernest Auger, says the SRDF is addressing an issue in the community.
The records will indicate that Soufriere has over 3,000 plus AC units, hotels, private homes, offices, and we lack the skill, the personnel, the resources to really work these areas. And we figured it's an area we could assist in building a cadre of capable persons who can fill in the gap. Because as of now, when we want persons to deal with AC and refrigeration units, we have to go to Castries, Vieux-Fort, and say, well, come on, if all of that resides in Soufriere, why don't we build the capacity within Soufriere itself?
The AC and refrigeration course follows a very successful plumbing course. Auger says there will be more courses that offer practical skills to the community.
Hopefully, sometime later in the year, we'll do what we call a mixology course. Soufriere has premium hotels, and they all are in great need of persons who can fill in these very critical areas. The mixology course really is equipping persons who can go and mix your favorite drinks for you. And the records indicate that Soufriere needs on an average of 60 to 70 persons on an annual basis in that regard. And it is growing because the St. Lucian Tourism Association will tell you that Soufriere now has over 300 Airbnbs.
The Soufriere Regional Development Foundation has committed to ensuring the growth and development of the community and its people. From the Soufriere Regional Development Foundation, I am Genevieve Gonzague.